What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with this program, My Software Business. I haven't done a video for it in a while. They have been going through some different changes and adding some things and taking some things away. So I kind of just haven't promoted it a lot, right? But it's still going. And guess what? Commissions are still coming in. So I thought I'd come back and show you guys more results of that. But they made some changes with this program. But before we get into that, I want you to check out this little snippet here. The link is in the description if you want to go check this thing out. My Software Business, an AI virtual assistant, okay, will help close your sales for all the prospects that come through your system. You have a phone number that's going to be assigned to you, or you can use the website link that's assigned to you. But before we get into that, check this out.
Can you imagine how much simpler and more enjoyable life would be if you could learn how to effortlessly make money using the internet? Did you know that there are people just like you making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars every year, and all they do is sell other people's products online? There's no better way to take control over your own human experience than by taking control over your money. And with My Software Business, we help you do exactly that. All you have to do is share a phone number with others who want to make money online, and our powerful AI text messaging sales assistant makes $200 sales for you 24/7. You've never seen an easier and faster way to make money, so get started today. MySoftwareBusiness.com. Let technology set you free.
Okay, absolutely right. That's what I do. I promote other people's products and earn a commission. So let's take a look here at My Software Business website. Okay, this is the website. This is the link you're going to get to use to promote the system. This system allows you to earn $200 over and over. Okay, instant commissions any way you want. All right. This is the new site. They made a lot of updates to it. I know it's a lot of stuff on here. You just have to look at the video and it explains everything. It's $200 one time. It is $25 a month. Okay, to get access to all these softwares they have. That's what they have here. Okay, it's a lot of softwares that you can use. For people that's using Facebook, they've got a lot of tools that you can use. You can see right here, website and funnel builder, contact manager, two-way text and email. This is a suite right here. This is what they have as far as the suite is concerned. Google My Business messaging, online payment system, a whole slew, okay, of tools here. Now, let's get into some of the software. All right, L Messenger Pro. Okay, that's one of the softwares that people are using to market on Facebook. Okay, I don't typically use Facebook, so I haven't used the L Messenger, but a lot of people are using it. Okay, so this is included. This L Messenger Pro turns your Facebook Messenger into a color-coded CRM and generates targeted traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot using your Facebook profile. They have a video right here that talks about that. Excuse me. I like the system itself, the AI system that promotes it to earn the $200 commissions. But there's a lot of value in here, guys. 3 more powerful softwares were also included in the membership. Okay, L-Link, Elm Link, Elm Optimizer, and then Elmatic. Okay, so there's 3 other softwares they have right here. All right. Other people's products you're promoting. See right here on this page, this is you'll have your own phone number that's assigned to you. This is my number. You can give it a call. You can put your number on post, on images, postcards, wherever you want to post it. And when people call the number, there is it's like a sizzle message. Okay, listen to it. The AI success coach is what they call this, will guide you through how to set this thing up. My commission came in. I got this commission on Saturday. I didn't speak to the lady. It just all of a sudden popped in, right? So that means the system did its job. It did its job. All right, get paid $200 instantly and directly for every sale you make of the product suite. Okay, so just being able to sell this whole system, you make $200. All right, any way you want. They list those methods right here: Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. You can get paid via crypto. Okay, credit card. Okay, however you decide, you just set that up in the back office. Okay, check out how we create leverage with the compensation plan. There's a video right here where the owner, he talks about that. You can go check that out. Everything you get today, and they break it down right here for the $200 one time. Like I said, and there is a $25 monthly fee. All right, right here, ER marketing tools that you can now get access to make $200 over and over and over. So some of the ones I listed earlier right here, there's a DFY ready to go software business money making system with the AI system, and then those softwares I listed. They have a training series in here, automated voice, text, email follow-ups on your behalf. It's a plethora of training and tools inside this thing. All right, then they have a FAQ little question area here. So Jeff, jot this down, go check it out. Matter of fact, here, let's put this number back up. Call the number, check it out, go through the system, see how it works. It sounds like something you're interested in. Get started. 200, it'll be 225, 200 now, and then 25 a month because of all those features that they've got in those softwares in there. All right, guys. So let's check it out. Let's look at something here. They created a new Facebook for the paid members. Okay, there was another one that they had, but I guess they got rid of a lot of tire kickers and only just got with the paid members. So right here, there's proofs. This guy here made $5,000 with this program. Okay, he just hit the 5K mark with the $200 software business. So people are earning here. Here's some more images or pictures of this person right here. Made $200 and they made $5,200 in this program, my software business. Okay, here's the back office. You get a back office dashboard, access to the CRM where you can see the leads that you've gotten in there. There's a marketplace in there where you can see other softwares that you can get started with. I do see that they used to have TechSpot in there. They've taken that out of there. Okay, they've changed that up. All right, but you can add one of the business opportunities you want to promote in there. Okay, let me see here. It used to be some other ones back here. He's taking those out, but I added mine. Okay, I added a business opportunity that I'm involved in, and who will see this? Anybody that signs up with me when they log in their back office, they're gonna see. They're gonna click on Marketplace, and they're gonna see what I selected as one of my business opportunities in there. Okay, so what else we've got here? We got the Facebook group. This is where you're gonna join the Facebook group. Right here, they have some pre-recorded webinars that they actually did, so you can go watch those. Some good training information is in there. And then right here, where your resellers are, if you had any pending payments that you needed to mark people paid, your commissions earned, your team, and your leads. Okay, it looks like I have 139 leads in my back office with this system. All right, so you can definitely check this out. Easy setup. Click right here, click setup guide, and it'll walk you step by step how to get set up. Now for the results, right here you'll see on February the 11th, which was what, Saturday, a payment came in, and I received an email from my software business first saying that, hey, you got a new sign up. And then they confirm the person right here. Okay, it says you just created more freedom with MSB, and then the payment came in. Let me show you that. Okay, I'm going to cover up the person's information, the email at the bottom. So right here you'll see there's the $200 payment that came in via Stripe. All right, see right here that matches the date, February 11th, which I just showed you the email from my software biz. Okay, so that's that payment, guys. So this thing does still crank out $200 commissions. All right, guys, so if you want to check it out, just call this number 239-579-3543. Go through the system, see how it works, see how the AI success coach will respond to you and answer your questions, or even direct you to go ahead and get signed up. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you have any questions, give me a shout out. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash it. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And like the video, please, and thank you. Be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.